Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty, your go to destination for the latest trends and timeless elegance in fashion and beauty. Today, we are diving into a topic that epitomizes sophistication and classic allure elegant long black prom dresses. Prom night is one of the most memorable events in the young woman's life, and choosing the perfect dress is an essential part of making the evening unforgettable. A long black prom dress is the timeless choice that exudes grace, elegance, and a hint of mystery. Join us as we explore the various styles, designs, and ways to accessorize these stunning gowns to create a look while leave a lasting impression. The lure of a black prom dress lies in its versatility and timelessness. Black is a color that never goes out of style, and it can be both bold and understated depending on how it is styled. When it comes to long prom dresses, black offers a canvas that can be tailored or suit any personal style, whether you prefer something classic and simple or modern and daring. Let's start by exploring some of the classic silhouettes that have made black prom dresses a staple in formal wear. A-line silhouette is a favorite for many because of its universally flattering shape. An A-line dress fits snugly at the bodice and gradually flares out towards the hem, creating a balanced and elegant look. This style is perfect for those who want to accentuate their waist while still enjoying a flowy, graceful skirt. Pair an A-line black prom dress with delicate jewelry such as simple necklace and stud earrings to keep the look understated yet sophisticated. Another popular silhouette is the mermaid or trumpet style. This design hugs the body through the body and hips, then flares out dramatically at the knees or lower. A black mermaid dress is that epitome of glamour, creating a striking and dramatic effect. This style is ideal for those who want to make a bold statement and showcase their curves to complete the look. Consider adding some sparkling accessories such as rhinestone bracelet or gentler earrings. A sleek updo or classic Hollywood waves will further enhance the elegance of this style. For those who appreciate a more contemporary look, the sheath silhouette is a fantastic choice. Sheath dresses are form fitting and follow the natural line of the body, creating a sleek and modern appearance. A black sheath prom dress can be incredibly chic, especially when paired with minimalist accessories. Think geometric earrings, a simple clutch, and a pair of strappy heels. This style is perfect for those who want to achieve a sophisticated and streamlined look. Now let's talk about the various necklines that can elevate a long black prom dress. The sweetheart neckline is a timeless favorite, adding a touch of romance and femininity to any gown. This neckline, which resembles the top of a heart, accentuates and the decolletant and can be especially flattering for those with a fuller bust. For a most modern and daring look, the halter neckline is an excellent choice. The halter dresses typically feature a high neckline that ties or fastens behind the neck, leaving the shoulders and back exposed. This style is the both chic and bold. In conclusion, a long black prom dress is a timeless and versatile choice that can be tailored to suit any personal style. Whether you prefer a classic and elegant look or a modern and bold look, a black prom dress can help you achieve the perfect prom night outfit. By choosing the right silhouette, neckline, fabric, and accessories, you can create a stunning and memorable look that will leave a lasting impression. Thank you for joining us at Luna Fashion and Beauty. Bye for now.